The round fried dough is moist in the inside with silky textures and beautiful golden brown and crispy on the outside. Couldn't ask for fresher donuts than these egg-free homemade donuts. Hey guys, this is Darshi and welcome to my Sugarush kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make eggless donuts. For that, I have 4 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar, 4 teaspoons of yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of margarine. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of water and 250 ml of milk, warm milk. I'm going to bring it down on a flat surface. The dough seems sticky right now, but as I need, I'm going to make it very moist. After kneading for about 10 minutes, the dough is holding up really well. So I'm going to just oil the bowl. Add the dough in. Cover it with a tea towel. I'm going to allow this to rest for about 2 hours or until it doubles in size. So it's now 2 hours and the dough has risen. So I'm now going to put it on the tabletop. Slightly knead the dough. Dust the worktop with some flour. And some more flour on top. Now I'm going to roll the dough to about 1 inch thickness.
Hello! Hello!
Hey! What are you guys doing here?
We've come to help you make donuts.
Really?
Yes.
Do you like donuts?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. So let me roll the dough.
Okay.
Then we'll cut the round circles for the donuts.
How do you cut?
I'm going to show you.
Oh, like the round like this I can cut.
Yeah. So
Oh, like
the dough
this.
is rolled. So this is the cutter. Bianca, you want to cut? Okay, press. Press it. And you do this. Yeah?
Oh.
And you press it. Good. Nice. Dylan, would you like to try?
Yeah. Mommy, can I try?
Yeah.
These are donuts.
Gotcha. Are you guys having fun?
Yes. Mommy, can I put the round parts of? Is that even ear? What do I do first?
Okay, wait. Let me add more dough. Okay, first Dylan, go.
Mommy, I want to do more than that also.
Yes, even you're going to do. Let him do 1 turn, then it's your turn. Well done. That's it. That's it. Don't roll it too thin. Bianca, do you want to roll the sides? Here and here? Okay. Nice. Harder? Good. Now I'm going to fry the donuts on medium heat. So once the donuts are golden brown and crispy, I'm going to remove them from the frying pan. And place them on a paper towel to remove the excess oil. So the donuts are now fried. Dylan and Bianca, do you know what we're going to do now? What are we doing?
We're going to put sprinkles and chocolate.
Wow, are you excited?
Yes.
Dylan, are you excited?
Yes.
Good. So I'm going to start. I'm going to put chocolate and you're going to put the sprinkles. Yeah, I'm going to dip the chocolate.
Can I do that also?
Yeah,
I can do that.
Just remove the excess chocolate.
Now I put.
And one for Dylan. Yes, put your sprinkles.
Okay, I'm
It's
putting
hot.
this. It's not.
It is. Okay, put it.
Mommy, look, I put a lot of sprinkles.
Nice. Now?
Mommy, I put a lot of sprinkles.
Very nice.
I
Let
put
me
a
give.
lot of that.
It's okay. It's okay. Do you like it like that? Okay.
I like.
Yeah. Yours. Eating.
I finished all of them.
She's so proud of it. Okay? Boss, that's good. So my chocolate donuts are now ready. Thank you, Dylan and Bianca. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Good. Which one are you going to eat first?
This one.
Wow. These look so yummy. Thank you for helping me.
Welcome.
Thank you for watching. Looking forward to your experience on this recipe in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more.